And after that, the next topic is merits, merits and advantages of the government company. So what are the benefits while we are entering into the government company? So first of all, they are secured. They have a maximum decision power, and the number of investors and the shareholders want to invest these types of company because they are under the head of the government concern. So they have much more merits than the other companies. So first is the administrative autonomy. In this type of company, the government company is relevant, free of government and the political interference. It can functional freely and smoothly under the general violence of the government. Suitable changes can be introduced whenever needs with the provision of the Company Act. And the next point is great flexibility. While there is a great chances of flexibility to mold the policies on the basis of the government company is managed, financial and audited just as any other private sector companies. Like as much as the private company have a audited, like the same the government companies also be audited, and the private companies, it can therefore secure great flexibility, freedom of operations and quickness of action in running the enterprise. The fastness while they are working is faster than the other companies because their working is fast and the great flexibility is there. So the next point is efficient staff. The government companies can have their own rules and regulations regarding the recruitment and remuneration of the employees. Recruitment is a separate staffing process in which they are stimulating the people to fill up the vacant post. So the maximum and the most number of applications are received while these are the government companies. So the best staff, they can be selected among the applications received. Regarding the recruitment and remuneration of the employees, they can appoint professional and specialized people by offering better services and salaries because they have the sufficient funds. That's why they are hiring the best and the efficient workers for the development of the organization or to run the organization in a smooth manner. And the next point is collaboration, that the government companies can avail and command managerial skill, technical knowledge, how or experts of the private enterprise by covertly collaborate with it. So they have the ways how the private companies people are correlated with the government companies and they work in a efficient environment for the development of the companies.